So cool, science! How do subs work? Well, that's a wicked cool question, and the wicked cool answer is, just go ahead and click the button. Yeah, go ahead and click it. Yeah, I'll sit here and wait. You can see, because Google's present-day policy is the same as the zoo's. You know, don't feed the YouTubers.
Hey, sister! Can't you read?
Because today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own submarine right at home, and anyone can do it because it's as easy as popping a toaster. So, go ahead and get yourself some tinfoil. Not only does it protect your leftovers, it also stops people from tracking your phone. And common sense, because if you really want to stop someone from tracking your phone, all you really got to do is turn it off. Start by getting yourself a plastic pop bottle and cut the top of the pop bottle off. Using some scissors, cut a couple rectangles of tinfoil. Go ahead and fill the pop bottle with water. So, do you think crumpled up tinfoil will float or sink? Well, here, check it out. Crumple one of the rectangles of tinfoil into a ball and then drop it into the water. Well, okay, well, what if we crumple it up, under the water? Now, take the other tinfoil rectangle, sink it in the water, and crumple it up under the water, pick it up, and drop it back in the water. Wow! Now that's so friggin' wicked cool! The crumpled up underwater ball sank! Now that's so friggin' wicked cool right there! See, it's like a submarine. See, you got something floating in the sink and then it's down like that, and you can do it right at home, you gotta do it with your friends, it's gonna be so cool! Why is it that the crumpled up air ball floats while the crumpled up underwater ball sinks? And what's this have to do with, well, how a submarine works? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. A submarine is any vessel that has the ability to submerge in water as well as resurface. Subs contain huge tanks called ballast tanks, which allow it to change its density. When a submarine is ready to submerge, it fills these ballast tanks with the surrounding water, squeezing the air into a compressed air tank. The air takes up less space, making the sub more dense, and it submerges in water. When a sub is ready to resurface, compressed air pushes the water out of the ballast tanks, making the sub less dense, and the sub resurfaces through the water. Subs use an engine run on batteries or nuclear energy to power a propeller which moves the sub through the water. To save energy, many submarines use angled rudders to glide forward through the water as they sink. Then fill the ballast tanks with air and float back to the surface. By repeating this, subs can go for long distances using very little power. The first submarine was invented by Cornelius Drebbel in 1620 by putting two rowboats together. So now you know more about submersibles. Being able to create a sub effect right at home is why science is so subsequent.